In this video we're going to cover this exciting and transformative topic that's going to revamp your relationship with money. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial manifestation, you're in for a treat. You're going to learn 6 incredibly easy exercises that harness the power of meditation to pull money to you. Plus, make sure you watch until the end, because we've got a special surprise for you. A free guide that's going to supercharge your journey towards prosperity. It's all about aligning your energy with your desires. Master this and you can have anything you want. Our first exercise involves using affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, encouraging a shift in your mindset. During your meditation sessions, affirm statements like, "I am a magnet for money," "Abundance flows to me effortlessly," or "I deserve financial prosperity." Remember, the key is to feel the truth in these affirmations as you say them. Exercise number 2, using visualization as a potent tool to engage your imagination. Close your eyes during meditation and vividly imagine your desired financial situation. Picture the wealth pouring into your life, the experiences, the possessions, the opportunities. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualizations, the stronger your alignment with your goals. Exercise number 3. Gratitude journaling. Gratitude is the gateway to abundance. Start a gratitude journal dedicated to money-related blessings. During meditation, reflect on what you're grateful for in terms of your finances. By focusing on the positives, you shift your energy from lack to abundance, attracting more reasons to be thankful. Exercise number 4, living as if it's already yours. One powerful technique is to live as if you already have the money you desire. During meditation, immerse yourself in the feelings of possessing that wealth. Feel the security, the freedom, the excitement. By embodying these emotions, you accelerate your alignment with your financial goals. Exercise number 5. Strengthening your money mindset. Your mindset shapes your reality. In meditation, uncover and challenge any negative beliefs around money. Replace them with empowering thoughts like, "Money is a tool for good," "I attract wealth effortlessly," and "Opportunities to prosper are everywhere." Consistency rewires your thought patterns. Exercise number 6. Connect with universal energy. Lastly, tap into the universal energy that surrounds us. During meditation, visualize yourself in a flow of abundant energy. Feel this energy infusing you with creativity, confidence, and financial opportunities. This connection enhances your ability to manifest your desires. Congratulations! You now possess a treasure trove of meditation techniques intertwined with the law of attraction to manifest wealth in your life. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Positive shifts are on their way. For a deeper dive into these techniques, click the link in the description for a free PDF guide. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and turn on notifications, so you stay tuned for more life-transforming content. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. See you in the next video.